Hello everyone! To have beautiful small purslane flower baskets for your balcony, don't miss this video. I will guide you how to grow purslane flowers in ceramic pots and how to take care of them. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot! I used wire bent into the desired shape in the quantity I needed. To grow purslane, orient the plant to grow as desired. Purslane is a fast-flowering plant that is easy to grow and does not take much time. You can use used household items to grow it. After preparing the materials to grow purslane, I choose plump, healthy, green purslane branches that are When choosing flower branches to plant, avoid moldy, diseased, and yellowed branches because the plant will be weaker when replanted.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
I will cut off the leaves on the flower stem before planting. This helps the flower stem not lose nutrients to nourish, and at the same time, has time to absorb nutrients to develop new roots and buds. With the pre-bent wire, I will bend about 2 to 3 purslane branches into the predetermined shape. With curved shapes from steel wire, in quantity of 6 small shapes and 1 large shape. For large shapes, we need to increase the number of flower branches accordingly. To make soil for growing purslane, I mix vermicompost with soil. Because in addition to providing nutrients for plants, vermicompost also has high antibacterial properties, is environmentally friendly, and helps the soil become more porous. With these cute little ceramic pots you can buy anywhere. And let's start planting flowers. purslane has a soft stem that contains a lot of water, so it is easy to bend into the available shape. After planting, we need to water the flowers to keep them moist and metabolize best for rooting and germination. Purslane grows very quickly. After only 5 days of planting, the flowers have taken root and germinated well. At this time, we need to care for and prune the flowers. We need to prune unnecessary branches so that the flower can change and grow many new branches while not losing nutrients. Banana peels are very effective in flower care. In addition to providing calcium and abundant nutrients, banana peels also repel insects, promote flower germination, and increase resistance to pests and diseases. So I will use banana peels soaked in water to water the purslane plant.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
Just 10 days after planting, the purslane plant has grown and germinated very well. At this time, the plant is preparing to flower. Therefore, I will prune the excess branches at the base in the direction of the desired flower bloom. Nutri-Food water is very good for flowers. In addition to providing nutrients to support metabolism, it also stimulates flowers to bloom more and bigger. Therefore, I will choose Nutri-Food water to water the Portulaca flowers. Absolutely beautiful. After only 20 days of planting and care, the Portulaca has bloomed a lot of big and beautiful flowers. What do you think? My planting method is very easy. It doesn't take too much time to care for. There are also beautiful flower baskets to decorate the balcony. 2. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.